Hello guys, how are you? Today I will teach how to configure access port and trunk port in a network switch. Access ports contain one VLAN. Trunk ports contain more than one VLAN. First, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Now let's start the video. First we open the PuTTY. Put the IP address of my network switch. Click on Open. Put the login ID and password. I am changing the display of PuTTY to see better and bigger. First, check the port status, so type Show Interface Status. As you can see, port number 9 not a access port and configure to VLAN 2, so I configured this port as a access port on VLAN 10. Type Configure Terminal. Type the command interface Gigabit Ethernet port number, enter. Type switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN. Here put the VLAN ID, which is 10, enter. Exit. Exit. Check the interface status by typing Show Interface Status. As you can see now, port number 9 configured to VLAN 10. If you want to make access port in bulk, let's type Configure Terminal. Type command interface range Gigabit Ethernet. As you can see, those ports are already access port, but on VLAN 10 I configure them to VLAN 45 start port and port, enter. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 45. Exit. Exit. Type command Show Interface Status. Now we can see that port number 11 and 12 configure successfully to VLAN 45. Now I have reverted these ports to their original configuration. Wait and watch. Now we make the trunk port to carry more than one VLAN. Type configure terminal. Type command interface gigabit Ethernet port number, enter. Switch port trunk encapsulation.1Q. Switch port mode trunk. Exit. Exit. Type command show interface status. As we can see now, port number 10 changed from access port to trunk port. I have now reverted this port to its original configuration. Wait and watch. So that's it for now. If you like my video and want to learn more, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to aware about my latest videos. Goodbye.